Alright, y'all, we're going to run Miss Melissa's Mini. There are 10 spots at $4.30 a spot. Let's copy our list and go live at 10:01. It's 10:01. Paste our list. We have 10 spots, so we need a 4 or higher on the dice. A 3, that won't work. An 8, that will. Here we go for the first time at 10:02. After the first time, there are 10 items on the list. Shirley's on top and Eva is on bottom. The dice calls for an 8, so here we go at 10:02. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After the 7th time, there are 10 items on the list. Victoria is on top. Demetrius is on bottom. We've randomized 7 times. The dice calls for an 8. Here we go for the last time at 10:02. Good luck, y'all. Alright, after the last time, here at the order of our list, we'll check our winners in 1 second. There are 10 items on the list, and we randomized 8 times. Dice, 3, and a 5 do call for an 8. See about our winners. Spot number 1 wins 21 spots. That is Jade Patrick. Spots 2 through 9 win 1 spot each. That's Shirley, Anita, Shirley again, Victoria, Victoria again, Demetrius, Kisha, and then Eva. And then spot number 10 wins 14 spots. That is Miss Shirley. So congratulations, winners. 10 items on the list. We randomized 8 times. Dice did call for an 8. We are done at 10:03. It's 10:03. Congratulations, winners. Here's our list for the last time.